Good morning. It's 9 o'clock. I'm at the Black Sheep Farm, Suzanna's farm, Zwartbles, Ireland. And we've stayed the night in the little cottage to be COVID safe. And of course, yeah, we're not hanging out with Suzanna indoors, we're hanging out with her outdoors with the farm stuff. We have the car is full of the wool roving, her wool yarn, her alpaca yarn, her calendars, her cards. I think that's everything to bring up now. Bring it up to the Irish Fibre Crafters shop. It'll also go up online, I'm sure. And yeah, so that's what we've done. We helped her feeding the animals last night. We didn't do it this morning because we were in bed. Because she didn't need us to do that. So yeah, because we're not farm sitting, we're just helping her with the wool part of the farm things. Yeah, so let's see. Whoop, got my coffee, got my hot water bottle because it's a bit chilly out and I'm just sitting out on the patio in front of the little cottage. Got my slippers on. And so yeah, so we'll be leaving later on today. Weather's supposed to kind of turn and get kind of windy and rainy and normal Irish weather. So yeah, so that's the little update. Nothing real exciting, so that I can think of. Yeah, I don't think there's anything particularly exciting right now, but maybe I'll get some more of the animals video before we go. Here comes the big fella to hang out with me. So, but yeah, see you soon. Hi, Maya. Hello, Maya. Maya has become used to us. Now she's friendly. She pays attention to me. And doesn't just bark, since she was shy because she's been a COVID doggy, so she hasn't seen a whole lot of, visitors. Look at the size difference there. And of course Maya's bigger than Inca even, her mommy Inca. The car is all charged up. We have an electric car. It's ready to go at some point today. And it's not quite full of 3 bags full of wool, but it's full of 2 bags. A bag of the white roving and a bag of the black Zwartbles roving, which you can't see, and of course the different yarns, the alpaca and the sheep wool yarn. So many birds here. Suzanna has so many different feeders here. Just try to be quiet and zoom on. There's 3-4 groups of feeders actually, so I'll just try to give you a little look of bird. I find that the tit family, the great tits, the coal tits, the blue tits, are some of the boldest little birds. Not the long-tailed tits so much. I mean, we have those at home, but they don't come around like the other ones do so much. Like, they're not as habituated to people. And at home, we have a lot of goldfinches that come to the feeder, and they're pretty tolerant of us as well as the shop. Here's Bear. Bear is he's come into the cottage with us just to have some special bear time, which he does often. Like last time when we were here and stayed in the cottage, he came in for a little bit because Bear is the middle child in all the ways. He's the middle in size, he's the middle in age. And he doesn't understand, and he's just, yeah, with the jumping up, he sees the little ones that kind of jump up and he thinks, yeah, well, I'm not that big, I can jump up. But he's bigger and he's low to the ground and he's fuzzy. So he tends to pick up more mud. So Suzanna really doesn't want him to jump up. And he probably does jump up on me because I am a little bit of a softie. He knows I'm the soft touch that he jumps to say hi. But anyway, but he's good. He's a good boy. Look at that. Look at that. That face. Yeah. So Mr. and I give him a little bit of individual attention when we can because, yeah, middle child. All right, I'll show you. Woo! We're exiting. I'll add another little video after this from earlier in the year because we just got talking and now it's raining, so I didn't do any more animals. So going down the drive, we're heading back home to Wild Cottage. Even wilder. There's the horses. away from this pastoral beauty to the wild beauty. We'll see you there. Are you getting bullied by Lilibet? Yeah, you're a bully. Are you a lamb bully? You lamb bully. Don't eat that. Out for a little stroll. Hello, there's no more after the feed. After the bottle feed. Oh, poor Inca. Everyone's wrestling with little Inca. Hi. Hello. I don't have any more little bit. I'm sorry. Say hello to everyone. Go for a walk. Take Lambsy Dotes for a walk. Yeah. Open the gate. No, we're going this way. That's right. Here we go. Come on, little bit. Little bit. The twins are not too sure. Hello, twins. Come on. Oh, I don't think those are for eating. Don't think we better shoo these little guys off from the tulips. Yeah, we're going to go for a little walk.
Charge.